guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Beast of Reincarnation gamepad or controller not working problem. So the very first thing you have to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch the game and check. Next is to update controller driver. For that you have to first connect your PC and controller. After that you have to go to the search option, search for device manager. So search for device manager over here. After that, expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, you have to restart your PC and then check whether controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties, click on controller and here you have to select enable Steam input and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select default settings and move to the next method. The next method is to remove controller and add it again. For that, go to the search option, search for settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click and here you have to remove the controller first. For that, click on three dot icon, click on remove device. After that, restart your PC and after your PC restarts, go to settings, click on Bluetooth and devices, click on add a device, click on everything else. Here you have to connect your controller and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working now. Next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for check for updates. Here again click on check for updates option and it will check if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version. After that, launch the game and check if controller is working. Next is to check for game updates. You must check if there is any update available for the game. Now after updating the game, try to launch it and check. You can easily check the update option available over here. Click on it and once the game is updated, now check if gamepad is working now. Next is to enter big picture mode. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here in the above section you can see big picture mode option. Simply click on it. After you enter big picture mode, here you have to select the game. Now after selecting your game, you have to click on the play button. Once you have done this, click on the Steam option, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. Launch the game and check if controller is working. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. So you can search for DS4 Windows tool in Google or simply go through the link I have already provided in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, click on the download option or simply go below, click on the download option. This will download DS4 Windows tool. After that you have to install it and after installing it, now launch Beast of Reincarnation game and then check for the error whether it is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.